How to fix too many friends on a Snapchat in 2 minutes. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to fix too many friends error on a Snapchat. Without further ado, let's begin. First, you need to long press on a Snapchat app icon and select App Info or simply I button. Once you land on App Info page, select Storage Users and tap Clear Cache. You can even manage the space and clear all the data on a Snapchat if you remember your login info. If clearing cache doesn't work, you need to uninstall and reinstall it from the Play Store or App Store. To do that, long press on a Snapchat app icon and tap on the trash button at bottom right and then select uninstall. And then you can easily reinstall from App Store or Play Store. You need to check the friends limit after doing this. Snapchat has a 2500 friend limit. If you have reached it, you must remove friends to add new ones. To do that, open a Snapchat. Sign into your account with the credentials. Navigate to the Bitmoji icon at top left corner to access your profile. Scroll down, look for My Friends and tap to open it. Here you can long press on the friends you want to remove and select Manage Friendship. Now tap Remove Friend and tap on Remove button. So manually you can easily remove multiple friends in order to not exceed the friends limit. And then if you haven't reached the limit but still see the error, you can easily contact the Snapchat support team and fix your issues. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.